In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your spark plugs and coils on a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts on the engine cover. This one only had 2. Using a 10mm socket, now you can unbolt the coils. For the wire harness, push down on the little tab on the side and then pull out. 3 of my coils didn't have the tab. Before removing the spark plugs, you could clean around the outside so nothing falls into the engine. Using a 5/8 deep socket, you're going to loosen up the spark plugs. Socket has a rubber boot to take off the spark plug, but you could also use the coil itself. I'll show both ways. This is how you could use the coil to remove the spark plug. Now you can put in your new spark plugs. Make sure the screwable part is facing down. Now you can screw it in by hand, and if you're going to torque it down to 13 foot-pounds. Now you can put in the coils. Now you can put in the coils and make sure you put in the same pattern.